Okay, so what is today? Today's Friday, right?
13th, Friday the 13th.
Seriously?
March, Friday the 13th.
Why are we working on bikes
Because we
on
got no
Friday the 13th?
I know.
Oh my God. All right, so we're ready to, this is the bike previously known as Lyme bike. It's now J. Lara. And we've just put the, what did we I put a new oil seal in here. All right, timing is set, the carburetor's on, the pilot idle jet is adjusted, and the idle is adjusted. We're running at about 1,000 to 1,100. I like it, it feels good. Very good snap. Now what we're going to do is let this bike run until it's thoroughly warm, which is 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to let it sit overnight, and then we're going to dump the sump and see if it is still wet sumping at that point. So right now we're just going to put the seat on it and set it aside after we run it for about 15-20 minutes. All right, let's do a overall shop status. These are my two bikes. The Greeny Meanie, Green Monster, the green bike is done and ready to go home. Now the project's not done. When he gets it done, he'll bring it back and I'll finish up the electrics and get all the lights working and stuff like that. But the bike still has construction to be done as part of the project. This bike just came in yesterday. This bike came in yesterday. This bike came in first. This bike came in second by about 10 minutes. So that was an interesting yesterday. This is the bike formerly known as Lyme bike. It's now J. Lara bike. And I did the, I'm still working on, this bike tends to wet sump. So I went into there to the timing cover and replaced the crankshaft oil seal. And I didn't like the looks of the other one. I think I put it in badly. So we're going to hope that solves the problem. We've run the bike for about 20 minutes here on the lift, and now it's sitting here. We're going to let it sit for 2 or 3 days, and then dump the sump and see how much we get out of it. In the meantime, back at the ranch, this bike, so basically the green bike is complete and can be picked up. This bike is complete and can be picked up. This bike will go on the lift probably tomorrow or the next day. And then this bike will go onto it right after this bike. This is just a tune-up and check to see why it's not running great. And this bike has some interesting electrical problems. So that, once again, neither of these is theoretically going to be an extensive effort. Trying to clear out all these bikes before mid-April when we're going to take a vacation for about 2 weeks. So Lyme bike is in for fork seals also. We did the fork seals previously. We did them up at Kevin's shop. So the client supplied new fork seals and we'll replace those under warranty. That's no problem. So I just don't know if we'll put it off until after we get back from vacation, or if magic should happen and I get these bikes out of here really quickly and I have sufficient time available to do the fork seals before it goes home. That's the status of the shop. I'm not going to bring any more bikes in because we're all caught up, and we have a plan for what's going to happen next, which is basically these two bikes here and maybe Lyme bike a little bit more. So I'm going to go do a video, I'm going to go publish the video on what we accomplished today on this bike and this bike, and then call it a day. It's Friday the 13th, and I better get out of here before the roof caves in on me, being Friday the 13th. So that's, the name again. You know what? Wait a minute. We never did the dad joke. So let's see what we have for a bad dad joke on Friday, March 13th. Let's see. What did the T-Rex use to cut wood? A dino saw. Okay, boy, Friday the 13th fell on a Friday the 13th. That's scary. Okay, we're done. I'm going to go publish this stuff and call it a day.